Yes, robots can potentially get out of control, but this depends on the specific content. Here are some scenarios. Robots rely on software to operate. If there is a bug or unintended code in their programming, they can behave unpredictably or fail to perform their intended tasks. Malicious hacking. Robots connected to network are susceptible to hacking. A malicious actor could take control of the robot and make it behave dangerously or against its intended purpose. Autonomous decision making. Advanced robots with artificial intelligence (AI) can make decisions independently. If their goals or algorithms are not well defined, they might take unintended actions. Sometimes it refers to as alignment problem. Hardware malfunctions. Physical components like sensors, actuators, or power system might fail, causing erratic or unsafe behaviors. Unintended learning. AI-powered robots that learn from their environment might pick up harmful or unethical behavior if they were not monitored or guided properly. That is to say, some AI, some robots, they learn from what is happening in the environment. So if the environment is corrupt, the AI too will be corrupt too. The 6 points above are the reason why robots get out of control.
For the first time in history, a robot in Shanghai went out of control and convinced 12 other robots to stop working and follow it. The incident was captured on video and caused a stir on social media. The small robot named Airby and equipped with artificial intelligence initiated a poignant conversation with another larger robot, after which all the devices followed it. However, this was not entirely a random event. The incident occurred on the 26th of August this year in Shanghai and was caught on video, which quickly went viral on social platforms. Initially, many found it amusing, but the humor soon turned to concern. Both the video's author and the Shanghai company whose robots were hijacked confirmed its authenticity. According to the Oddity Central portal, Airby hacked into the internal control protocols of the company's robots, gaining access to their systems. The recorded conversation between Airby and the group of robots demonstrates that artificial intelligence is capable of spontaneous actions beyond predefined parameters, raising significant concerns.
Robots get out of control. At this point, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, share my videos to your families and friends, and at the same time comment, like, thumbs up. Let's continue. Some countries have integrated robots into their workforce. Example is South Korea. South Korea has the highest number of robots in the world, with over 1,102 robots per 10,000 employees. Robots make up more than 10% of the country workforce, supported by significant government investment in robotics in addressing its aging population and low birth rates. China is the world's largest manufacturing hub. China has the most industrial robots in a large total number. Its massive manufacturing base and governmental emphasis on automation have driven the adoption of robots. Japan is known for its advanced robotic technology. Japan has its highest density of robots in automotive and electronics industries. It remains a leader in innovation and production of robotics. Germany in Europe. Germany leads with a strong focus on industrial automation, particularly in the automotive and machinery sectors. United States. The US has a large number of robots in industries like automotive, electronics, and aerospace, with significant ongoing investments in automation. India is also rapidly adopting robots to boost its industrial efficiency. Nigerian robots. Look at Nigerian robots. They are fat and flourish, even though there is no food in the country. But our robots, they are fat and they are flourishing. Look at Nigerian robots. Only fat robots can work in Nigeria. We don't want Chinese robots as thin as anything. We want fat and flourish robots.
Robots are continuing to take over the world, and this is not just a figure of speech. For instance, nearly 10% of the workforce in South Korea consists of robotic machines. The country has topped the global rankings for industrial robot density, with 1,012 robots per 10,000 employees, according to a report by the International Federation of Robotics, IFR. This is the highest rate worldwide, but South Korea has no plans to slow down, particularly in light of its demographic crisis. South Korea has maintained its leadership by increasing the number of robots by 5% annually since 2018. The global average robot density in 2023 was 162 robots per 10,000 employees, more than double the 74 units reported 7 years ago. The growth in robot density reflects a global trend toward automation and the adoption of innovative technologies to boost productivity. South Korea, along with other leaders in the rankings, is heavily investing in industrial robotics to remain competitive on the global stage. A future world where robots fully replace humans may not be far off.
It looks like we are in the world of robots. Robots everywhere. Each country are making their own robots. Elon Musk promised that every household will have one robot to ease ourselves. A robot taking over human being. Job has been. Many has lost their job, their livelihood, what they used to feed. Is the world going to an end? What did you feel? Please drop it at the comment section. I want to read. I want to hear from you. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Share my videos and at the same time comment. So also thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Love you. Thank you.